So hello everyone. Now we are going to talk about Vizag gas leak or Vishakhapatnam gas leak, where styrene gas has released and it has caused death toll in Vishakhapatnam area due to the release of the harmful styrene gas into the atmosphere. The incident occurred at the RR Venkatapuram village and the timing was in between 1 am and 4 am. Generally, this timing is called as V hours. The plant was a polymer plant named as LG Polymer Plant, which is a South Korean MNC based. Actually, the plant was started in 1961 as Hindustan Polymers to manufacture polystyrene. It was merged with McDowell and Co. of the UB Group in 1978, and finally it was taken over by South Korea based LG Chem in 1997, and finally it was renamed as LG Polymers. The factory manufactures various kinds of products, and it is involved in telecommunications, electronics and chemicals. As we are talking about the chemicals, the main topic that is here, polymer plant. The polymer plant in the Vishakhapatnam area has caused the death toll. Let's see what is a polymer. Polymer means poly, if you divide the word, it is many, and mer means unit. Many monomers combine and undergo the process of polymerization and form chained units of polymers. Monomers undergo polymerization and form the polymers. Polymers are generally formed in two ways. One is natural. Naturally, it is available in DNA and protein strands, but man-made, it can also be formed. As we see, generally the PET bottles, water bottles, it is a synthetic polymer which is man-made, formed from polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET. It is a polymer which has been formed from two monomers, that is terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol, by the polymerization process. So what is a styrene here? So styrene is a colorless liquid which is used in plastic products for the production of the plastic products. It is generally sweet in smell in low quantities, but if it is in high quantities, you cannot be breathable, that gas, and it also causes various side effects to the people's health. The products which it is useful is the tires, plastic covers and plastic food packaging, cables, insulators and the automobile products. Styrene is a monomer. It undergoes polymerization and forms polystyrene. So polystyrene is formed in this plant generally for the production of these products, and it is a polymer. So styrene is formed from ethyl benzyl when it undergoes the dehydrogenation process, where hydrogens are released at a high temperature, nearly 600 degrees centigrade. The ethyl benzene is formed from benzene and ethylene. So if you see the polymerization process from styrene to polystyrene, it releases heat and also the styrene gas. So styrene gas is a harmful gas. It is a byproduct of polystyrene. So this styrene gas, as it is harmful, it also causes irritation in the eyes, mucal membrane dysfunctioning and the effect in the mucous membrane, intestinal membrane effects, and also it finally leads to the effect of the central nervous system. The styrene gas has released at the Vizag polymer plant and it has caused a death toll. So what happened at that place? The plant was shut for 40 days due to coronavirus lockdown, and minimum staff was deployed inside. The gas leaked from 5,000 ton tanks to two tanks which has been unattended since March due to COVID-19 lockdown. It has led to the chemical reaction and production of heat inside the tanks and caused a leakage at the plant, and it has caused a death toll into the area, and it has affected very harmfully to the people's health. So this is all about styrene gas and the Vishakhapatnam gas leak thing. So hope you understood.